This week, Capricorn, you have the number 5555, get grounded. Centering, reassessment, grounding, balance, focus, energy, rest, and priorities. If you're feeling burnt out from overworking, the angels encourage you to ground your energy. Reassess your priorities and determine what thoughts are keeping you in a constant state of doing instead of simply being. Take 10 minutes today to sit quietly. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Visualize yourself as a tree with strong roots, connecting deeply into the earth, grounding your energy and calming your mind.